Well, I heard some people talking just the other day. Already Gone by the Eagles. So let's get shaking. Hey, hey, you're ready to learn Already Gone by the Eagles? Now, I don't have the whole song. I don't have the lead break. I don't have the chord changes, the key changes at the end. I don't have. But this will give you a foundation of the song. And so it ain't too bad. So just always watch the upper keyboard and those notes. It'll help you in the long run. So Already Gone by the Eagles. Here we go. So it goes like this. Well, I heard some people talking just the other day, and they said you were gonna put me on a shelf. Let me tell you, got some news for you, and we soon find out it's true. And you have to eat your lunch all by yourself. Well, there's that part. So I'm doing it much slower than what it is, but it's to teach you. So I heard some people talking just the other day, and they said you were gonna put me on a shelf. Let me tell you, got some news for you, and you soon find out it's true. Then you have to eat your lunch all by yourself. So you gotta just keep working with that part where it ain't too bad. Now this part, now let me run through that part and get to the other part. Let me tell you, got some news for you, and you soon find out it's true. Then you have to eat your lunch all by yourself. See, there's what it's doing. So just right down the line. Just take your time with it. You're staying on that C. Cause I'm already gone, and I'm feeling strong. And I will sing this victory song. Cause I'm already gone. Then back to that again. Back to that. With the letters that she wrote me, maybe stop and wonder why. And I guess you felt like you had to set things right. Just remember this, my girl, when you look up in the sky, you could see the stars and still not see the light. Cause I'm already gone, and I'm feeling strong. And I will sing this victory song. Cause I'm gone. Remember, I don't have the whole song because it goes up, screams higher, and then the lead break. But that is the song that I have. I mean, okay, all the verses would be playing the same way, so you know that. So I'll run through it one more time. You just got to work with it. Take your time, and then you speed it up once you get it down. Then you speed up the song because it's a much faster song. So it goes, well, I heard some people talking just the other day, and they said you were gonna put me on a shelf. Let me tell you, go. Already Gone. Short and sweet, but I think you'll like and enjoy it once you get it down and get it at the right speed because it goes more like a. Well, I heard some people talking just the other day, and they said you were gonna put me on the shelf. Got some news for you, and you soon find out it's true. Then you have to eat your lunch all by yourself. 'Cause I'm already gone. So that's the speed you want to get up to. But just take it slow and cover all the notes there and just always watch the upper keyboard. So now for your next lesson. Till then, later.
I think I'll go get me a 12 pack.